Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW i4 and Forza Horizon 5. This sleek electric vehicle is a fantastic addition to any garage. Historically, it has been obtainable as a reward by earning 20 points during specific festival playlist seasons. If you missed it during a seasonal event, don't worry. You can often find it listed by other players in the auction house. Keep an eye out for good deals there. The festival playlist is your go-to for many exclusive vehicles, including the i4. By completing various challenges and races, you accumulate points that unlock seasonal rewards. Another excellent resource is the Backstage Shop. You earn backstage passes from the festival playlist, which can then be exchanged for rare cars that the community votes to bring back. This is a great way to acquire vehicles you might have missed. The BMW i4 eDrive 40 is an impressive electric sedan in Forza Horizon 5. In its stock configuration, it boasts 335 brake horsepower and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 4 seconds. It's a rear-wheel drive vehicle, providing a distinct driving feel. While you can upgrade its motor to achieve M50 power output, it remains rear-wheel drive and does not offer all-wheel drive conversion or M-Sport aero bumper options. To maximize your chances of getting the BMW i4, consistently check the auction house, as player listings change frequently. Also, actively engage with the festival playlists to earn those valuable backstage passes, which could eventually unlock the i4 in the Backstage Shop. Once you acquire this fantastic electric car, take time to experiment with different tunes to truly unlock its full potential on the diverse roads of Mexico. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.